So in this video we are going to see about modems, and modems stand for modulator and also demodulator. So the same device can perform both modulation and demodulation, and modulator converts the digital signal into analog signal using different modulation techniques, and demodulator converts an analog signal into again a digital signal using analog to digital converter. And this is a diagram that explains the relationship between modem and the communication link, and this modem consists of both modulator and demodulator and connected via this telephone network, and these two PCs at this end, these are known TTE. Modems are known as TCEs. For DTE, data terminal equipment, and this is a source of or destination for binary digital data, and also DCE, data circuit terminating equipment. It transmit or receive data in the form of analog or digital, and modem is in the form of DCE, data circuit terminating equipment. It can transmit or receive data in the form of analog or digital, that means modulator and also demodulator. Next is transmission rate, and this transmission rate of modem depends on bandwidth and also the modem speed, and this transmission rate used to describe the modem capable of its receiving and transmitting in terms of bits per second. So first of all, the bandwidth means this is a range of upper and lower limit of frequency of the signal. Next one is modem speed. It depends on bit rate and baud rate, and bit rate is equal to the sampling rate into number of bits per sample. So baud rate is equal to bit rate divided by number of bits per signal elements. So the relationship between bit rate and baud rate, that is bit rate is equal to baud rate into number of bits per signal element, and we can solve problem related to this topic in our next video. So consider for example the telephone line which having the maximum bandwidth of 2400 Hz, that covering the range from 600 Hz to 3000 Hz. So here, and this is for half duplex ASK, and for baud rate of full duplex ASK is only half of the total bandwidth can be used in either direction. And here the maximum baud rate is equal to maximum bit rate, so it can transmit the signal with 1200 bits per second, but it's so noisy, so we are not using today. Next one is FSK, and here the baud rate of the signal included with this frequency shift, so we can get a clear output, that is here the maximum baud rate, that is equal to bandwidth minus this FC1 minus FC0, the center frequency of this two range. And also in full duplex FSK, this maximum baud rate, that is equal to 2400 divided by 2, that is 1200 into FC1 minus FC0, and this is a baud rate in full duplex.